Everyone has a right to privacy, and the amendment that helps protect us is the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment, even though established in 1791, was placed to protect people against unreasonable searches and seizures. Now the question was asked, how does the Fourth Amendment pertain to the digital age, especially under the question of whether the government should have access to our digital lives? In the past, it was so simple, and that the Fourth Amendment was cut and dry, and that people and their belongings would be protected unless there was reasonable probable cause. As the nation is getting more advanced with technology, the Fourth Amendment is not so black and white. As we live in the digital age, the Fourth Amendment also must protect our privacy in the virtual world. Technology is now part of our lives, and with that includes having the right to protect our privacy.
For Riley v. California on August 22, 2009, the police pulled Riley over when driving a different car while having an expired license registration tag. Police policy required that the car be impounded, which led to an inventory search of 2 firearms. Then they arrested Riley and confiscated his cell phone, which was on him at the time. Throughout his phone, they would tie him with gang affiliation and to a shooting he had committed on August 2nd. Even though the evidence found him guilty, he argued that the evidence was invalid and against his Fourth Amendment. As the Supreme Court reviewed the case, they agreed with him, stating that a warrantless cell phone search violates the Fourth Amendment right to privacy. This was an essential case because without it, it would nullify the grounds on which the Fourth Amendment was meant to be used, which is when there is a probable cause.
For Coppin University, United States, police arrested 4 men in connection with a series of armed robberies. One of the men confessed to the crimes and gave the FBI his number and the number of the other participants. Based on the cell site evidence, the government charged Timothy Carpenter with, among other offenses, in aiding and abetting a robbery that affected interstate commerce. Carpenter moved to suppress this based on the Fourth Amendment grounds that the government needed a warrant to access these records. The ruling was that the Fourth Amendment protects cell phone location information and that the impact that a warrant is required for police to access cell site location information from a cell phone company, that the detailed geolocation information generated by cell phones communication cell towers. Now for United States v. Jones, Antoine Jones was arrested on October 24, 2005 for drug possession after police attached a tracker to Jones' Jeep without judicial approval. The jury found Jones not guilty on all charges except maybe for conspiracy. The ruling was that the Supreme Court specifically stated in a 1983 case regarding the use of a beeper to track a suspect that the decision could not be used to justify 24-hour surveillance without a warrant. The impact means not only a reasonable expectation of privacy, it also includes the earlier definition from the common law trespass. Actions here are consistent with the original intent due to the government trespassing. The law is violated. An individual has certain rights to protect, and the government cannot violate. Even though these 2 cases happened 13 years apart, they both are in support of our privacy. In the United States v. Jones, it states the government cannot invade our privacy, including our location, which also ties in Coppin v. United States. Today, our phone is our location, which is why the police must need a warrant if they ever intend to acquire it.
Cass vs. the United States. Cass was gambling information over the phone to clients in other states, so federal agents attached an eavesdropping device to the outside of a public booth used by Cass. Based on the recordings of the end of the conversation, Cass was convicted under an 8-count indictment for the illegal transmission of waging information from Los Angeles to Boston and Miami. This led the Supreme Court to expand the Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable search and seizures to cover electronic wiretaps.
Through these court cases, it just proves that the Fourth Amendment is vital in everyone's lives.
If we let the government invade just a bit in our privacy, it wouldn't eventually stop.
Even though the amendments were established centuries ago, they can still be used today and will continue to be used in the future.